Hello guys, this is me again this year. Yesterday I talked about the signs that you are a seer. So I was live yesterday, I spoke about signs that you are a seer. How will you know that you are a seer? Which I talk about headache when you go to some places like mortuary or cemetery or graveyard. Okay, you normally maybe feel headache. You find it that you find it difficult to sleep when the light is on, so you are likely to be a seer. I also talked about memory issue. So I talked about 10 signs that you are a seer. So if you have not seen that video, check my YouTube channel. I actually come live. Check my live video. You'll see where I spoke about signs that you are a seer, how to identify that you are a seer. Okay, that was that yesterday. Today, I want to talk about now you have identified that you are a seer, because that yesterday I make a lot of videos. So a lot of people actually contacted me that they found out that yes, they are actually passing through those things, 10 of those things I mentioned. Some of them say they are passing through 9. I think the minimum I received was they passed through 9, except for the fact that they see spirit physically. But most of them say yes, they actually see spirit. Only few people say that not they don't see spirit physically. I found out that wow, so a lot of people have these gifts. Actually, I know, but they actually lack the information. They need people to mentor them or to grow it. So that is what this video is about. Today I'm going to teach you how you can actually become a seer, because a lot of people are born with that gift. A lot of people have that. A lot of people tell that is there. It's just that they find it difficult to open. What you have to understand is that spiritual control the physical, so also the physical controls the spiritual. So things that will happen today must have happened in the spiritual realm before today. And things that will happen in the spiritual realm, we can use some things in the physical realm to alter those things that will happen in the spiritual realm. So what I'm saying is that this video is all about how you can become a seer. There are two ways. You can naturally open your third eye, and also if you find it difficult to open your third eye naturally, please you can contact me. We have some stuff we can give to you that you will take and use, and you see your third eye open automatically without going any through mentorship. As if you're interested, chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll hit you with that. Okay guys, now the question is that those people that contacted me, they asked me like now we have identified that we are seers, so how can we become one? How can we activate this sleepy gift in us? And that is what I want to teach you. Please don't just watch my video. Do well to like, share and subscribe. So anytime I make a wonderful content and you find it interested, all I ask for you, just like the video. If you like it, the video will make me to create more of that content just to meet your need. Okay, let's go there. Now, number one thing you can do to become a seer is that we cannot access the gift in us. We cannot access the power in us, in each and every man. Remember, you are created in God's image, so that means you are God's like. Most time you have the trait of your father. It's just that you don't know how to access the trait of your father. So God created us in His own image. So there are some godly things in us that we need to access. And number one thing on the list is meditation. Meditation. You see, small children. You see kids, right? They don't have things they think about. They don't think about I'm going to pay house rent. They don't think about what am I going to eat today. So they hardly think about some certain things. That is why when a child wish for something, when a child pray for you, that prayer is likely to be accepted very fast than you that will think otherwise, or you that have done some certain things you have not supposed to do. So some of us have lost these gifts in the process due to the fact that they did what they are not supposed to do, and that makes the gift to be taken from there, or that is making this particular gift to be sleeping. That's just the truth. So if you have done something that is making your gift to be sleeping, so to become a seer, to activate it is different from when it is there. You don't actually know how to access it. Now the first one I'm going to talk about is this, how to access it. Then on the next video I'll talk about if you have done something you're not supposed to do before that is not making you not to see vision, how you can activate this gift again. So that will be the third video I'm going to make about seeing vision, but today I'm only going to concentrate on how you can access this gift within, of which I talked about. Number one thing is meditation. That children know how to breathe more than we the adult. If you notice very well, right, when they give birth to kids, like when they give birth to baby, you notice very well that those kids breathe with their stomach and not their chest. Observe little children when they give birth to newborn baby, you find out that they don't breathe with their chest, they breathe with their stomach. So that is the first thing you need to know about meditation. There are some people that you see that if they want to meditate, they like breathe with their chest. No. When you want to meditate, the first thing first that will help you activate your inner self is breathe with your stomach. Don't breathe with your chest. But if you want to meditate, first of all, you have to sit in a place. Okay? Please don't get me wrong. This video is not about meditation. I'm going to give you things you can do to activate your gift, of which I spoke about of which I spoke of. That is, I'm still talking about now the meditation. So I'm just trying to summarize how you can meditate for you. Okay, what you have to do is, first of all, take a deep breath. You can use your chest for the beginning, like take 3 deep breaths, then breathe out slowly. You take another breath, then breathe out slowly. Okay, then if you want to start your meditation after you have taken a deep breath, that will give you enough oxygen for a start. Then you sit alert. When you are sitting, don't sit in a place that your spinal cord is curved. Okay, sit in a place that your spinal cord is 100% straight. You see, your spinal cord is kind of connected to your brain. So don't sit and place your head down. Don't sit and place your head up. Make sure that your head is looking straight. Then you place your hand like this. Okay, then you put the back of your hands on your leg. Okay, so close your eyes. Now start breathing with your stomach and not your chest again. So you breathe in with your stomach, depending on how far you can hold your oxygen. When you breathe in with your stomach, then if you can start from 10, you count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then you breathe that as you take your breath in, as you are breathing that, that's when you'll be counting from 10 down to 0 to 1. So if you cannot start from 10, you can start from 5. Then you breathe out. So you continue this process for 7. You continue this process for 7 times. Then after 10, imagine yourself, okay, walking through a forest. At that forest, you are hearing the sound of crickets, different animals. Imagine yourself walking through that forest. Imagine yourself feeling that breeze inside that forest. You understand? So you imagine anything you want to imagine, or imagine you going to the river, throwing all your problems, throwing all your bodies into the river. Then open your eyes. After you have opened your eyes, look at that thing in front of you while you are meditating. Capture that picture. Then close your eyes. Be seeing that picture on your head, that thing you have captured. Then you grab that picture. That is what you use to meditate. So you keep breathing in. You focus on your breath, or you focus on the blood passing through your vein. Okay, this is how you meditate for 5 minutes. Then start wishing that your third eye is open. Try see yourself as a seer. Try see yourself prophesizing for people. Start seeing yourself calling people's name, calling people's number. You understand? So this is how you assess the subconscious mind. First of all, you have to remember your mind is divided into 2, right? We have the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. So where you do the thinking and where the God mode lies. Okay, so without silencing the thinking mind, you cannot access the God mode mind. That is just the truth. So you learn to meditate this way. And another thing you can do is that when you wake up in each and every morning, before you start up, try as much as you can. Once you just wake up, your mind is free. So you know that your mind is free. Then you do a lot of meditation. Wish what you want for that day. You can even wish for this vision. That is number 1 thing you can use to activate your gift. Then number 2 you can use to activate your gift is this. Now you know that you can never know until you try. You don't know how powerful you are until you try to. You never know you can move a mountain or you try. So what you need to do is that remember, visions come in 4 stuff. Vision come in 4 ways. Cut. So in order to not to make this video bulky, I'm actually going to tell you. I'm actually going to teach you 8 ways you can actually use to get your third eye. So if you try one, it did not work for you. You try the second one did not work. The 10th one must definitely work for you. So I'm teaching you 8 methods you can actually use to activate your gift, so that you can become a seer. So in the next video, I will talk about the second one and the third one, probably the 4th one. So that's where I'm going to continue. So if you find this video helpful so far and you want to continue from this series, do it to like, share and subscribe. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you can actually come back and see what I'm talking about. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to teach you how in the next video I'm going to talk about the second way, and the third way, and fourth way. So that's how I'm going to do it until we finish the 8 ways you can use to become a seer. So I just talk about meditation, which is common. So remember, I save the best for later. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So turn on my notification bell so that anytime I try to post a video, you will see what I have posted. Okay, see you guys in the next video. You have to understand that the seer always cares. Subscribe.